All right, you guys, exciting episode today. I've got just a couple of things that I want to share with you, but it's super exciting, at least for me, and let's take a look at it real quick.
What we do here is go back.
All right, you guys, so first of all, if you see here behind me, the engine is completely done. Let's take a look at it. All right, I've even got all the covers on and everything. Let's take a look at this. The only thing missing is the AC compressor. Everything else for the engine is on, with the exception of things that I deleted. So I deleted the air pump that's down here. I deleted a couple of things with the intake manifold because we're gonna be running boost, and so I don't think it needs it. EGR I'm deleting. A couple other things. I don't have the exhaust on because I have to weld that up. I have to make the turbo manifold, but I've got the wire harness done. I got the fuel lines on, I got the fuel injectors in, and you can see the little cover that's on the top of here, spark plugs and the coils and everything like that, vacuum lines, everything should be done. This should be a finished product right here. I had to replace these right here. I told you guys in the last episode, along with, there you go, you can kind of see it up in here. It's red, you can see it a little bit better from the top. See on the exhaust side, don't have the exhaust on, I still have it all plugged up just to make sure nothing gets into the turbo. I capped this off. I think this is only for the little water pump that sits over here and then pushes coolant across to the window wash fluid reservoir, how it like warms it up or whatever. So I think that's what that's for, and I just capped it off for now. If I need it, I can uncap it, but I figured cap it now while it's easy. And just so you know, I don't have oil in it yet, because I still need to drop the pan that's coming. I just don't have the pan gasket yet, and so I don't want to mess with it. I just want to drop it, do the stuff, and then put it back on so I don't have to leave the pan off for a while. So now that this is like this, while I'm waiting on parts, next thing is the transmission. So I'm gonna have to get my crane over here and I'm gonna lift up the transmission, and then I'll be able to access underneath. Then I'm gonna take out the valve body and drain all the fluid and stuff like that and rebuild the valve body so it's ready to go. Slap it all back up into the trans, and then we're just gonna bolt that thing right to the back side of this once we get that seal on the back there. Then sitting over here, I've got the fuel pump, oil system for the turbo, oil filter, and the starter. So once we get the transmission on the back of this thing, we'll get the starter on and we'll get that all connected up, and then we will be good to go. And I've got every last piece of exhaust that I need over here, the 3.5 inch, any transitions, any, whatever I need, everything's over here, muffler, little flex pipe. So everything that I need is over here, along with the turbo. It is all ready to go for the exhaust. At this point, the only thing that I need, as far as I know, is going to be the ECU, whatever that's going to be, and the intercooler setup. And then the PCV system too. There's 3 places that I have to tap to and then bring it over. And then I have to figure out a couple of other small things, but that's all the main stuff out of the way, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you. That's what's going on here. I have all of it shot. Got my little camera set up over here, so I have everything shot. I just need to edit it all together. I just want to give you guys an update on my Monday update for everybody, so in case if anybody was curious. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Snapchat so you can see stuff like this without having to see an update video. And I'll be back with you guys real soon with another build video. You guys stay sexy.